A properly installed submersible water pump can be trouble-free for many years. Here are the steps to installing a PPS submersible water pump correctly. Prepare the pump station for lifting by connecting hoisting chains and hooks to the station skid. Use caution to be sure nothing comes in contact with the pump station enclosure to prevent scratches or structural damage. Lower the pump station onto the wet well and into the correct position according to site plans. After checking for alignment, set the pump station onto its final resting place. The hoist chains and heavy couplers are removed to prevent damage to the outside of the enclosure. The lid is then removed for full access to the inside of the station. Please note, each pump has a lifting point located on the top of the submersible pump head. Use caution not to damage any of the wiring or the pump protective sleeve during the pump installation process. Prior to installing the pumps, be sure to clear the area of any loose parts or wiring. If necessary, loosen and move any pipe elements or connectors to prevent damage or obstruction while lowering the pumps into place. Using the proper safety equipment, start by installing the smaller jockey pump. Carefully lift the pump from the truck bed, taking extra care not to damage any external components as you insert and drop it through the proper hole in the station base. Repeat this process for each of the submersible pumps in the station. Once completed, the interior of the station should look like this and be ready for connecting pump couplers and wiring. It's time to connect all the components. Start this step by repositioning all the internal pipes for the connections. Once properly aligned, carefully prep the pipe connections with lubricant and place the seals in the correct place. Then, position, attach, and bolt the coupler connections throughout. Be sure to check and tighten all internal bolts to ensure you have the proper seal required for the pressurized operation of the system. Install the low water safety float at the location shown. Then connect the wiring according to the schematics located on the control panel door. The final step is to connect all pump motor lead wiring to the control panel. Open the panel and identify the correct inbound connection for each pump per the schematic located on the panel door. Once all wiring and piping have been properly connected and the pump station is ready to start, notify PPS and we will schedule the certified startup and calibration of the pump station.